Well, this was kind of handy because this UX component was being used to answer another question. So we'll just pop in a couple of controls on here and see if this makes sense. So I've got a from date and a to date. I'll put this button in here just to refresh this list. So I've got this list, and you'll notice that this list is based on some variables, and that these two dates are being fed into the list for the SQL statement arguments. There's nothing in there that's greater than 10. But I can change the date here and refresh the list, and you'll see the list changed. So now we're getting, there's one with the 15th. And I can change that to the 3rd. And again, we're refreshing our list. So it looks like it's working okay. So we've got a from date and a to date. They are date type. I've got some default values going in there, so that's why that's working. Refresh list is just a button with refresh list data, so that makes a call back, an AJAX call back, and grabs data again. Now the list itself is based on a SQL statement, from date and to date in there, and properties. We've got a couple of arguments set up, and we do that right here in the arguments of the data source tab. So I've got a from date and a to date, both date formats set at runtime. Date format again set at runtime, and its value is going to be from date. So you can drop that down, and it shows you all the controls from the UX component. And same with to date. And they don't have to be the same names, of course. They're just, you set them to be whatever you want them to be here. And it looks like it works just fine. Go and have another look. Refresh the list. Looks good. Hope that helps.